Join me as I challenge myself to find the right frequency for success and see if I can really shift my vibes. Vibrational frequency is a concept that's all about emitting the right energy to attract the life we want, and it's closely tied to our success. When we're vibrating at a high frequency, we're more likely to feel positive, motivated, and inspired to take action towards our goals. Many of us struggle to maintain a high vibrational frequency due to negative thinking patterns, self-doubt, and external influences that can bring us down. We might find ourselves getting caught up in toxic relationships, watching too much negative news, or comparing ourselves to others on social media. These things can really weigh us down and make it hard to stay positive. Our thoughts and emotions have a huge impact on our vibrational frequency, and if we're not careful, we can easily get stuck in a low vibe cycle. We have to be mindful of the media we consume and the people we surround ourselves with, as they can either uplift or drain our energy. Making conscious choices about how we spend our time and who we spend it with is crucial for maintaining a high vibrational frequency. Our environment and lifestyle also play a significant role in determining our vibrational frequency. The food we eat, the exercise we do, and the amount of sleep we get all impact our energy levels and overall well-being. When we take care of our physical health, we're better equipped to handle stress and negative emotions, which helps us stay in a higher vibrational state. The science behind vibrational frequencies is fascinating, and it shows how our mindset and reality are closely linked. When we're in a high vibe state, we're more open to new experiences, more resilient in the face of challenges, and more likely to attract positive relationships and opportunities into our lives. By raising our vibrational frequency, we can literally change our reality and create a more fulfilling life. Our thoughts and emotions have a powerful impact on our vibrational frequency, and learning to manage them is key to making a positive shift. One way to do this is by practicing mindfulness and meditation, which helps calm the mind and focus our energy. We can also use visualization techniques to imagine ourselves already in possession of what we want to achieve, which helps raise our frequency and attract those things into our life. Raising our vibrational frequency takes time and effort, but it's worth it. By making small changes to our daily routine and being more mindful of our thoughts and emotions, we can start to shift our energy and attract more positivity into our lives. As we continue on this journey, we'll become more aware of the things that bring us down and the things that uplift us, and we can make conscious choices to focus on the latter. One powerful insight that can help us shift our frequency dramatically is the idea that our thoughts and emotions are not absolute truth. Just because we think something doesn't mean it's real, and just because we feel something doesn't mean it's permanent. This realization can be incredibly liberating, as it allows us to let go of negative thought patterns and emotions that hold us back. By recognizing that our thoughts and emotions are fleeting and changeable, we can start to detach from them and focus on cultivating a more positive, high-vibe state. This mindset shift can have a profound impact on our lives, allowing us to approach challenges with more confidence and resilience. When we're no longer held back by negative self-talk and limiting beliefs, we're free to pursue our passions and dreams with more ease and enthusiasm. We start to see the world in a new light, as a place full of possibilities and opportunities, rather than obstacles and threats. As we work on raising our vibrational frequency, we'll start to notice profound changes in our lives. We'll feel more inspired, more motivated, and more connected to ourselves and others. We'll start to attract positive relationships and opportunities into our lives, and we'll find that we're able to handle challenges with more ease and confidence. In conclusion, vibrational frequency is a powerful force that can either hold us back or propel us towards success. By being more mindful of our thoughts, emotions, and surroundings, we can start to raise our frequency and attract more positivity into our lives. Let's continue the conversation in the comments. What are some ways you plan to raise your frequency and shift your vibes? Be sure to check out my other videos on self-improvement and mindfulness for more tips and inspiration on your journey to success.